this Bangladesh issue and was discussed, and of course it was very sensitive issue. Everybody is worried about the safety and future about the Hindus and my other minorities in the Bangladesh. So of course it's a international issue. So it's a foreign countries issue. So as all other organizations, they approach the government authorities and ask the government, our government, to have a diplomatic concern about it, and so they will look into it.
Manipur.
Manipur, yes, already I think our Sarasangachalak ji has said in his in his speech in the our Nagpur and concerned about the Manipur issue, and he has of course asked the government also to come in the action very fast. So I think we are watching it. Our workers, they are also watching it. They mentioned about it. So let us see. We hope that it will be very well taken and it will be resolved, and let the peace will come very soon in the Manipur.
भाई साहब मेरा सवाल है यतेंद्र न्यूज 18 इंडिया से
जी
आप कह रहे हैं कि पश्चिम बंगाल अलार्मिंग जो घटना हुई है अलार्मिंग है और कई एक नहीं कई सारी इस तरह की घटनाएं हो चुकी है और पहले भी चुनाव चाहे लोकसभा चुनाव हो इससे पहले विधानसभा चुनाव हो हिंसा की घटनाएं सामने आती रही हैं क्या लगता नहीं अब राष्ट्रपति शासन वहां पर लगाने की मांग करनी चाहिए सरकार से
no, that's the government's call. I think in this era it is not very well democratic way to unstable the government, any government. I think, but of course, any democratic government should be asked by the people to govern according to law and address the public grievances.
सर निशांत राय सर यूसीसी की बात की जाए तो उत्तराखंड में एक तरीके से मॉडल आ चुका है उसको लेकर चर्चा की गई कि देश भर के लिए
No, I think UCC model is already in the public, and before they adopted the UCC in Uttarakhand, they put it in the public domain. So I think more than 2 lakh applications they received, and they discussed on it. I think now it is in the public domain. Let public have a experience of it, then we can discuss it.
Sir, Madhuparna from CNN News 18.